Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the impact that our choice of words can have on our mindset, particularly when it comes to wealth and financial success. We all aspire to be wealthy, right? But what if I told you that there are 5 simple words that are holding you back from achieving that rich mindset? Stay tuned as we reveal the 5 words that you must avoid if you want to be rich. Before we jump into the 5 words, let's take a moment to understand how the words we use affect our mindset. Our language plays a crucial role in shaping our thoughts and beliefs. Positive and empowering words can inspire us to take action, while negative words can limit our potential and hinder our progress. It's essential to be mindful of the words we use, especially when it comes to wealth and success. So, without further ado, let's uncover the 5 words that you must absolutely avoid if you want to acquire a rich mindset. The first word we must avoid is can't. When we repeatedly tell ourselves that we can't achieve something, we limit our possibilities and restrict our potential. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," try reframing your mindset by saying, "How can I afford it?" This simple shift empowers your brain to find solutions and opens up opportunities for financial abundance. The second word to avoid is impossible. Similar to can't, labeling something as impossible sets a mental blockade that prevents us from exploring alternative paths and creative solutions. Embrace a growth mindset and replace impossible with "I haven't figured it out yet." This mindset shift will encourage you to keep searching for answers and overcome any obstacles on your path to wealth. Our third enemy word is poor. Repeatedly describing yourself as poor reinforces a scarcity mindset and keeps you focused on lack and limitation. Instead, use positive affirmations such as "I am abundant" or "I am capable of creating wealth." By shifting your language, you will start attracting opportunities and resources that align with your new belief system. The fourth word on our list is someday. When we keep pushing our dreams and goals into an indefinite future, we delay the actions needed to achieve them. Replace someday with today. By setting specific goals and taking action now, you create momentum and start paving your way towards financial success. The fifth and final word to avoid is luck. Relying on luck implies that external forces determine your financial outcomes. Instead of relying on luck, focus on developing valuable skills, expanding your knowledge, and taking calculated risks. Remember, success is not a matter of luck, but a result of intentional actions and a wealth-driven mindset. And there you have it, the 5 words that you must avoid if you want to be rich: can't, impossible, poor, someday, and luck. By eliminating these words from your vocabulary and substituting them with positive and empowering alternatives, you can gradually reshape your mindset and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal growth and financial success. Remember, the words we use shape our reality, so choose your words wisely and embrace a rich mindset.